Welcome back, food enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the tantalizing world of Bolognese sauce, an Italian culinary masterpiece. Join us as we uncover some lesser-known facts about this rich and flavorful sauce that has captured the hearts and palates of people around the globe. Hello, fellow food lovers. Get ready to uncover some fascinating secrets about Bolognese sauce. Let's get started. Fact 1. The Authentic Bolognese. Did you know that the original Bolognese sauce recipe is deeply rooted in the culinary traditions of Bologna, Italy? Traditional Bolognese, or ragu alla Bolognese, is a slow-cooked meat-based sauce that combines finely chopped aromatic vegetables, such as onions, carrots, and celery, with ground meat, such as beef or veal. The secret lies in the slow simmering process, which allows the flavors to meld and intensify. Fact 2. No tomato overload. Contrary to popular belief, authentic Bolognese sauce doesn't contain a heavy tomato overload. While some variations incorporate a small amount of tomato paste or puree, traditional Bolognese relies more on a savory combination of meats, vegetables, and stock, resulting in a rich, meaty flavor with just a hint of tomato. It's a testament to the delicate balance of flavors in this classic sauce. Overlay images of tomato paste and traditional Bolognese sauce. Fact 3. The importance of milk. Here's an interesting twist. Bolognese sauce often includes milk or cream as one of its key ingredients. This addition may seem unexpected, but it serves a crucial purpose. The milk or cream helps to mellow the acidity of the tomatoes and tenderize the meat, resulting in a velvety texture and a harmonious balance of flavors. Fact 4. The Versatility Factor. While Bolognese sauce is commonly associated with pasta, its versatility goes beyond just being a pasta topping. This incredible sauce can be used in various dishes, such as lasagna, stuffed cannelloni, or even as a filling for savory pies. Its robust and comforting flavors elevate any dish it touches. Fact 5. The art of patience. The secret to a truly outstanding Bolognese sauce lies in patience. To achieve the depth of flavor and complexity that characterizes this sauce, it's important to let it simmer gently for an extended period. The slow cooking process allows the ingredients to release their flavors gradually, resulting in a sauce that's worth the wait. And there you have it, some fascinating facts about Bolognese sauce. It's incredible how a seemingly simple sauce can hold so much history and technique. Join me next time as we continue to explore the wonders of cuisine from around the world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date. Until then, happy cooking!